My name is Kotug. I work for Kotug International, towage company from the Netherlands.
Very briefly, just explain a little bit more about Kotug International fleet operations, services.
So Kotug is a towage company operating around 75 tugs globally. So we have different types of tugs and also different type of services that we operate in, ranging from offshore to also harbor towage and some salvage and some chartering. And besides towage and besides the tugs, we also have some auxiliary services like training and consultancy. We have a software company where we schedule tugs in ports. But we also are very active when it comes to innovations and when it comes to new type of tools or techniques that enhance the safety and efficiency of towage operations.
Okay. And it's in your technical paper here at Tug Technology 25, you talked about a certain type of innovation.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate, please?
Yeah, so we actually developed together with some partners, we developed different types of drones that helps us in different type of operations to make sure that the tug and the vessel, when the tow line connection is being made, don't have to be so close to each other anymore. So that the tug can move out of the safety zone, out of the danger zone, I must say, of the vessel, and that the towage operations become safer and more efficient, but also safer for the crew.
And how have you applied those in reality?
So we have actually trialed it out now in two different situations, two different locations, two completely different circumstances. One being in a harbor towage operation in the port of Rotterdam, where we actually use the drone to automatically and autonomously sail from the tug deck actually to the right fair lead of the vessel that needs to be supported. And the other solution is an offshore solution that we use, for instance, to bring over mooring lines from the tug to the to be supported vessel, or to the vessel that needs to berth, for instance, at an FPSO offshore.
And how have you worked with partners for these applications?
Yeah, we've worked with different partners. So one partner being Skeye Technologies. It's a drone operator, so they're very familiar with drones and how to efficiently operate those in different circumstances. The other partner is more a technology partner from the Netherlands, from the TU Delft, and that company helped us with the autonomy part of the drone, but also the drone to shoot the messenger line to the right fair lead of the vessel.
Okay. And where do you see this technology going forward? What's Kotug's applications?
Well, we believe that the drone really will be replacing the traditional way of making the connection with the tug and the ship, or with the ship and the shore, or the ship and the FPSO. So we believe that the drones will really become the new standard in towage, because the current way, specifically if we look at harbor towage operations, is a very dangerous operation. So we should not, as operators, we should not allow this situation to keep on going on. So we really think that drones will replace it.